Hi, I'm David, and this is Laura,
Hi.
and she's a cynical person. And
Of kids shows.
Okay, I guess mostly of kids shows.
Yeah.
Never of life or anything.
No.
And we're gonna have her watch some kids shows, and today we're gonna start with the latest episode of Thundercats. Oh.
Okay.
Right, here we go.
Dun, dun, dun. Is that a monkey?
Why would it be a monkey? They're cats.
I don't know. I can see.
We don't know anything about Thundercats, by the way.
They're cat people. He looks like the guy from Cowboy Bebop.
Spike?
Yeah, he
no,
looks
not
like Spike.
Spike.
Or no,
Jet.
Jet. He looks like Jet. Yo. Snarf.
You know.
Where's everybody else? It's like Futurama. Mumra?
Mumra.
Mumra.
He's the bad guy.
Of course.
Imagination.
It's like Assassin's Creed.
Oh.
He just knew how to do that.
Yeah.
That non-labeled keyboard. Wait, if they're all cats, what's he?
What's who?
The big blue guy.
He's Mumra. He's the bad guy.
Is he a cat?
He's a bad guy.
He's a bat, I think. He had wings. What, monkeys?
Monkeys. I guess there are monkeys. Are they monkeys?
Wait, elephants?
Oh, so there's just animal people all up in this.
Dogs? She's a sexy voice. Not a sexy look. Whiskers?
Oh, whiskers.
Whiskers.
Oh.
It's not like I say, like, oh, body hair. Yep. It's a jackal. It's a jackal.
Yeah.
It's a jackal. Jackal. It's a jackal. It's a jackal. It's a jackal. This is just creepy. She's such a boobalicious body, and then she's a cat.
Some people are into that kind of thing.
I know. I feel dirty. But Sharkman? Is he a bat?
He's Batman.
I remember bats being bigger than lions. Oh, it's kind of small.
It's for the rock thing. He'll get the rock thing, and then there'll be.
There's a rock thing?
That's what they're looking for.
Oh. It's so small. It's like a dagger. Watch me. What's with his claw? Chief is part glove. It's also a laser. What? Face. Oh, now I knows how they work the computer. Oh, it's a gauntlet. Why does their armor have faces, like, on their chests and their hips?
Are they in space right now?
Duh! They're cat people. Where else are they gonna be?
Do they need air?
They got those cool armor things, you know?
Oh. Okay.
He should finish him off, but he won't, because it's a kid's show, and that would be wrong.
It's magic.
Magic science.
Science magic.
Yeah. Of course. They're just gonna... No one thought to get him medical help, they just decided to stand and watch and wait for him to wake up.
So, what did you think?
It was okay. I wouldn't watch it again. They're cat people. That's just creepy and weird and fulfilling too many fetishes for people. And it was cheesy and cliche.
It was a kid's show.
Yeah. They can be smarter than that.
You looking for Pixar here?
No, because then we'll get a Cars 2.
Any other thoughts?
No.
Just no.
Cat people. It's weird.
I don't have a problem with cat people.
We're not getting cats. It's a jackal. It's a jackal.
It's a jackal. It's a jackal. It's a jackal.